The next daily candle could be spectacular. Warning, the following video may include bullish imagery. Discretion is advised. We'll come back to the Bollinger Bands at the end of the video, but first, looking at the 12-hour relative strength index, we've been watching for this downtrend to break as the key to a very large move to the upside. We were watching for it earlier, here, and now that we've come to a longer formation, a break above this level could coincide with a really enormous move to the upside. From the 12-hour back into the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we have the same parallel channel down and a flat bottom, while at the same time Bitcoin prices are going higher. But it appears that for me that RSI is building up to support a very much larger move to the upside off of a breakthrough here as it's coming up, as the price is coming up and the RSI is breaking out. It's like a spring-loaded force to move the price very much higher. And we're looking at much the same pattern for the MACD indicator as well. Here on the 12-hour time frame, you can see the downtrend. And while this is sometimes a bearish divergence, in this instance, because of the long build-up beforehand, this is a huge shift in momentum, and that when this 12-hour crosses over and we break through this trend line, as prices are breaking above the flat here, it's going to propel prices very much higher from this level. So we may be breaking right through all-time highs right off of this in a big, huge spike up, and then have trouble afterwards, because as soon as this MACD gets up to its highest levels here, expect that there will be trouble and it'll have some pullback and some dumpage afterwards. So this moment, as this spring is building up, is really looking key. And especially if we go into the 4-hour time frame, we can start to dial in, we can start to get close up to the action and pay attention to exactly how much force is there behind it, because we'll see in the 4-hour that it's exploding past this trend line as well and really starting to expand out wide as prices are going up. Then we really know that we've got the support of the indicator behind us. We can see the momentum of how long this has been taking to build up this sort of a wave that will be riding higher. If you're a bear and you want to see some of my bearish predictions, click on the link right here just above the video and you'll go to a video where I talk about how far down this could go and how the relative strength index and the MACD indicator could show us how far down it could go. And I wanted to look at the Inchimoku cloud on the 4-hour time frame right now. On this uptrend, we've hit into the green cloud. This is the 3rd time. And we can see as we're coming out of the green cloud each time, the blue line crossed above the red line as we were coming out of the cloud. This is a definite buy-in signal. So as we're coming up to this area here, we're getting a clear buy-in signal. And as we're coming up off of this green cloud, as the blue line crosses above the red, that'll also be another indicator that's verifying. And now back to the Bollinger Band. To me, in the daily time frame, this looks like we have a big candle coming next that's pretty much the same size as this build up here. It'll support that much of a candle, which is like $63,000, which brings us up to all-time highs. With this spring that we've seen under the RSI and the MACD indicator, prices probably made some pretty dramatic changes since I recorded this video. So be sure to come over to our Discord channel and join in the conversation as we are doing screenshots of what the price is doing right this minute. I appreciate your time and I hope this video was helpful to you in some way. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification icon as I'll be making more of these technical analysis videos. Thanks again for tuning into this quick video. I'll see you on the next one. Be sure to trade smart and keep your losses small.